being pelted with ice pellets. Good morning from Muncho Lake. The night was not too chilly, but the weather certainly unsettled. It rained in part of the night for sure. The tops of the mountains, probably can't see, have a sprinkling of snow at the very peaks on the tallest ones and down the valley, which is where we're headed, and the weather's looking a bit better. So we should be able to get that hike in. Just finishing packing up. The tarp is great. It's the last thing I'll pack up, and then we'll check and see once I drop the bike off its stand whether the patch holds. I don't know if there's a garage we can get it properly fixed along the way, but Fort Nelson's about 300 kilometers away, so hopefully it gets us there. Well, let's pack up and hit the road. Alright, we're all packed up. Now just gonna take the bike off the center stand and hope that with the weight on the tire that the plug still holds, and then you still gotta add another 200 pounds for me. So let's see what happens. It's holding. Let's see what happens on the road. Well, just gonna go to the end of the road and then check to see how the tire is looking. Seems to be holding. Just pulled into Stone Mountain. We're at the Summit Lake campground and we're going to do the Summit Peak Trail. It's pretty chilly, so I assume it's going to be cold and windy at the top. Alright, we're at the start of the Summit Peak Trail. It's chilly and windy, but at least it looks clear. Unfortunately, I'm not going to even bother bringing the drone because it's so windy here. That up top there, it's going to be way too windy to fly it, which is unfortunate. This is really good weather for it. Besides the wind, of course. It'd be nice if it was this meandering trail the whole way, but obviously since we're heading up there, it's going to be steep and grueling pretty soon. This is what you get in the BC Rockies. Very similar to when I climbed Mount Olympus in Greece. You could see the top of the mountain. It was just all open. Almost worse than on the bike. Howling. Reminds me of that time I was hiking in Patagonia with super high winds. I don't like that cloud. I've already felt some sprinkles. I prefer that view. Steep and grueling. The rain all the way up the valley, and it's headed this way. Hopefully it breaks right at this valley in front of me. Well, got lots of raindrops even though it's clear blue sky above me. That's how strong the wind is. The clouds and rain are way over there. The good thing is, no matter how wet I get on this hike, I'm staying in Fort Nelson tonight, so I'll be warm and dry inside, and that's only about an hour's drive away. Not enough to be steep and grueling. I have to deal with hurricane winds. A brief respite from the wind. Final push to the summit lookout. This reminds me of that time I climbed Kilimanjaro. The valley's protecting me for now, but it's getting really close. But I'm getting really close too. So we might just get the weather. I'm not sure if I'm being pelted with rain or snow. Oh, it's definitely not rain. I'm being pelted with ice pellets. That's how cold it is up here. I literally just stepped 3 feet down on an ounce of wind right behind this little rock wall. Go back up. It's being pelted. Crazy! So the trail continues along this ridge, and you can see the summit way over there. That's another 2 to 3 hours to get there, and the weather's not conducive, nor the time of the day, to make it all the way there and back down in time. So we've made it to the summit lookout, and we're on the back side where it's not too windy. I'm gonna head down to where that flat spot was where there was no wind and have a little snack, and then we'll head back down to the bottom and make our way into Fort Nelson. I don't know if you can see way over there. It's not just a rainbow, it's an entire prism of the whole range. Well, as fun as it is hanging out here and being pelted with ice pellets, I think we best make it down. I don't think I'll be stopping for that snack. I just gotta get down. Woo. This split right here at this valley has been great. Still super windy, but haven't been pelted with rain, and now it seems to be clearing up nicely. We've made it back to the tree line, protected from the wind, and now the weather's turned really bad up there again. But where we're headed, clear blue skies. Let's get there. And we're back. So the sign says allow 5 hours round trip, 3.5 up. I did the whole thing in under 3 hours, probably 2.5. I'm not exceptionally fast. Just an average pace. Oh, there you go. Summit Peak Trail done. All right, the tire is still holding. 110 kilometers to Fort Elton. And we're heading into blue skies from the misty, cloudy rain. Off we go. I'm just at the only tire shop in town, and they don't have any tires, but we're looking to see if we can fix them. Well, no luck getting a tire. The next place is Fort St. John, about 400k away. Alright, I'm in Fort Nelson. Can't get a tire. Fort St. John, 400 kilometers south, doesn't have any tires either. And so Prince George, which is 800 kilometers away, is the closest spot I can get to that has a tire. So I have no real options but to continue on with the trip, and we'll not be getting to do any real dirt roads or anything. We'll just have to stick to the main track and hope that the tire holds out for another 800k until I can get to Prince George. Other than that, I've just eaten and I'm gonna get myself ready for bed. Being warm inside tonight, and then we'll continue on with our journey tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna do the Summit Peak Trail. It's pretty chilly. It's pretty chilly.